we'll just go around here and then go around the other way. There's the office there. Got a bathroom out here. And as you can see, all the rooms here pretty much have an ocean view. Got a restaurant and bar over here. Little fish in here. Little koi fish. There's Cher. And that's pretty much the grounds here. It's very small and quaint. Okay, so this is room number 16. And don't mind our clothes being out because we've been here a couple of days, but it has been kind of icky outside, so we're just now getting around to filming. And when we came in, when their room was nice and clean, the first time it was dark. We have a refrigerator and a coffee maker that we can't figure out how to use. Microwave, a little griddle. There is a safe down here. And this is the bathroom. If you caught a glimpse of me, I've been diving. My hair is all crazy. This is the view from this room. Look at this. So beautiful. You do have to come up some stairs for this room. Like I said, it was room number 16. Now, I don't know what our room is going to be like as of tomorrow night. We are changing rooms, so I don't know what our view is going to be like tomorrow, but all the rooms here have great views, so I can't imagine that it would be bad. I'm just going to take you down here. Gorgeous. We'll go on down here. You'll probably see this in a snorkeling video too. Clear, clear water. One of my favorite things about this area right here, I'm going to show you right now. I don't know why I love it so much, but this little walkway right here, I just love it. I don't know why. So cool. Back this other way. home sweet home. That is it for the property tour. There's Kelly, woo! This is the room that they have moved us into. It is right below where we were. This is actually room number 15 and we were in 16. The only difference in this one is it's a little smaller. We still have a refrigerator. We have a little grill here, microwave. We don't have the extra bed. We still have this wonderful view. And a king size bed. And I hope it's as comfortable as the last bed that we had because it was so comfy. We've got our bathroom in here. There's absolutely no difference in this one. So yeah, this view's not quite bad, is it? Nope. Yeah, man. This water looks amazing. We had a rough few days and I'm ready to get in.